Go. First throw out. Good catch in the air. Nice job. You do get an extra half point if all 4 paws are off the ground when you catch. Nice catch. I think maybe we should get it a full extra point if the human's feet are off the ground as well. That would be fun. Very coordinated. 30 seconds, Marina. 30. Wow. Way to get her back. Good job. High one. Woo! 10 seconds left. 10. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time for Marina and Remy. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think of our novice division?